Welcome to Blue Dog RV, the West's #1 RV dealer. And here's a look at another unit from our massive inventory. At Blue Dog RV, treating customers like family and offering the best deals around has always been our priority. Our staff will give you the relaxed, knowledgeable service that you deserve. Whether you're looking for a fifth wheel, travel trailer, motorhome, or any type of RV to get your adventure started, at Blue Dog RV, we have it. So come start your adventure at one of our locations in Idaho, Montana, Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, or Pennsylvania.